In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix HubSpot error logs step by step. If you're dealing with workflow failures, form submission issues, or email delivery errors inside HubSpot, this guide will help you quickly find the problem and understand what's causing it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look and how to troubleshoot the most common HubSpot errors. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and marketing software guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, let's look at workflow error logs. If your automation isn't triggering correctly or contacts are failing to move through a workflow, this is where you need to start. From your HubSpot dashboard, go to Automation and then click on Workflows. Open the specific workflow that's giving you issues. Once inside the workflow, look at the top menu and click on History. This is where HubSpot tracks every action that has occurred within that workflow. Now use the Filter option and select Errors. This will show you only the failed actions. Here you might see issues like emails not sending, property updates failing, or webhook errors. Click into any specific error entry to see more detailed information about what went wrong. Often HubSpot will tell you whether a property value was invalid, a contact was missing required data, or an integration failed. Fix the underlying issue, then re-enroll the contact if necessary. Next, let's go over form submission errors and form activity logs. If leads aren't coming through or you suspect something is wrong with a form, go to Marketing and then click on Forms. Select the form you want to review. Once inside, click on Submissions. You'll see a list of all recent entries. Click on any row, then choose View Submission Details. This is where HubSpot shows you exactly what happened during that submission. You may see blocked submissions, validation errors, or spam filtering notices. If a required field was missing or formatted incorrectly, it will appear here. For API-based submissions, you can even review the raw payload data to see what was sent to HubSpot. If your form is embedded incorrectly on your website, you may notice repeated failed submissions or formatting issues. Double-check that the embed code matches the one provided in HubSpot and there are no JavaScript conflicts on your site. Finally, let's review email error logs. If your marketing emails are not reaching contacts, go to Marketing, then Email. From there, navigate to Analyze, then Recipients, and review bounces or errors. This section gives you a breakdown of delivery issues. You'll see hard bounces, which usually mean the email address is invalid. Soft bounces may indicate a temporary issue like a full inbox. You may also see blacklist flags, spam reports, or authentication failures, such as DMARC or SPF errors. If you notice authentication issues, you'll need to verify your domain settings inside HubSpot and ensure your DNS records are configured correctly. Monitoring this section regularly helps protect your sender reputation and improve deliverability. So to quickly recap, for workflow issues, go to Automation and check the History tab filtered by errors. For form issues, go to Marketing, open your form, and review submission details. And for email problems, check the Analyze section under Email and review bounces and errors. Each of these areas gives you detailed insight into what's going wrong so you can take corrective action fast. That's how you fix HubSpot error logs and troubleshoot the most common issues inside your account. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.